Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is a little bit different because I'm actually doing Royal High today. So, I'm just going to chill. I'm just gonna chill, and by the way guys, add me at... Yeah, I'll tell you guys later. So, here's me in Royal High, and it is 11:20 right now. Ooh, diamond. I am obsessed with getting diamonds. I think this is my first Royal High video. Or a Roblox video. I don't know, but I know this is my first one. So let's get a door. And yeah, so we're gonna claim this, And I have 794 diamonds to get. So how do we, oh, here we go, door. Furniture shop. Wait, furniture, oh yeah. Let me see how much stuff is. Beds. Maybe a Royal. Oh yeah, these are too expensive. Yep, these are too expensive. So I only have 794. And guys, I did buy two. Hold on. Look, I got this one because I got 200 diamonds. I got 800, but I just got this one. Or no, I got this one right here because I remember getting for this. Okay, so let's just go to. You want to go to the outlets because I want to do that wishing spell, the wishing spell thing where you win stuff. Maybe like a dark halo or a light halo. So yeah, let me go do that, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. So I just got at the outlets because I had to leave the game and rejoin it. So, ooh, they got a new run filter, so hold on guys. Okay, I think that's better. So let's just run to the lake. And guys, guess what? So, I watched Leah Ashe and Inquisitor Master a lot, and they did this spin a wheel thing, but it says I have to be level 5 or up, and I'm only a level 3. Whoa, you won 200 diamonds? That's so cool. Okay, so anyway, let's just go to the wishing spell. And I don't know how much I'm gonna bet. Before I did this video, I betted 5 diamonds, but I didn't get anything. Are you kidding me? Oh god, I have to, yeah, did it. And I won 5 more diamonds because I betted 5, and it gave me 10 more. So basically, just won 5 diamonds. What was that? But I want to get to level 5 because I don't know how long that, that wheel's gonna stay. And I think they just got the wishing fountain. I don't know. I think they did. Oh my god, this girl got 2,000. Wow, that's a lot, girl. That's a lot. That's a lot. Wow, so cool. This girl. Oh my god, I'm only on level 3 and I can't do it. It's so sad. Like, so sad. Okay, anyway. Ooh! Can we buy some flowers? It's cool. Oh, I watched Leah Ashe video on the homeless girl. She gave her all this stuff and she was working at the flower thing right there. I want to go to Sephora. Ooh, guys, I know what we can do. Let's do a makeover because I had this for a long time, this style. So let's do be a makeover. And yeah. So let's go to the hair. Here, let me run. So let's go to the hair salon. Where's the hair salon? Let me see. I think it's over here. Nope, it's not there. Not there. Not over there. Where is it, guys? Okay, anyway, let's just do dress up, because, yeah. Hold on. So I want to see what color shoes I could get. Oh, guys. I am going to do Leah Ash's video idea, and I'm going to do a 24-hour challenge on doing a color of all I don't like. Oh my god, that's such a good idea. So credit to Leah Ash, like credit because she made it. So let's just do I hate. I'm gonna do yellow because I don't like yellow at all. Actually, I'll do green, just like Leah Ash did, because I don't like green at all. That's like, I don't really want to copy her or anything, but I just don't like green. So, what hairstyle should we do? I think we're gonna do this one, and we're gonna do green. Ew! And then we are going to do what green stuff? Well, we have a mermaid scale. Hold on, let me take off my skirt. Guys, so I just reset it to my character. Now let's just do a thing. What hairstyle? Yeah, I just picked this one. Now I'm going to do an outfit. What should we do? Yeah, I'm not going to do that one. I just found a really good one. I don't know what I want. Definitely not that one. I think I'm gonna have to do something like this. Or this. Kinda like this one better. So now let's put on a face. Or no, let's put on our heels first. So yeah. So first let's put on our skirt, and it's going to be green, of course. But what green? I think that one. And now let's do these wedges in Wonderland. Yeah, I'm gonna do that green too. Now I'm going to do the makeup. There. So let's do some, yeah, I'm not gonna do that even though it's kind of green, but I'm still gonna do that. That is too, oh my god, why do they have this? That's so funny. What about this? Yeah, I think this is the good choice. I'll just do that one. Yeah, so let's just do that. So now I am going to go to Royale High and go in my locker and get some more stuff. Guys, so I'm just landing in Royale High. Wait, why am I like this? Okay, let's go. Look at my green self, guys. Oh my god. Look at my green self. Oh my god. I'm so kind of adorable, but yeah, I don't like green, so it's kind of like not what I would wear, but anyway, let's just go to the girls' locker room, if I can find it. So, do you guys know where it is? Okay guys, I'll call you when I find it. Hi guys, so I couldn't find it, but breakfast is starting. Let's start a new day with our green outfit. So I'm going to try to get some green food, maybe. Okay, so they have pancakes, bacon, and sausage. Definitely not. Cinnamon rolls, morning toast with fruit, maybe. Cake stacks, rainbow. Oh yeah, they don't have anything. So maybe let's see if they have a drink. Any drink. Frappuccino. Oh wait, do they sell drinks right now? Yep, they don't. Anyway, okay, I think I might skip breakfast. You know what? The easiest one I could do is the rainbow cereal, because like that's all colors and it has that in it. Oh, here's the drinks. Let's see if they have like a apple juice. That's green. 7 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't really find anything that was like a fail, but it's okay because it's fine. It's just for fun. And let me pull the leather again and again. Why do you have to pull it so much? There we go. Rainbow Cereal Delight. Thank you. Okay, let's go sit at a table with this girl. Not it on. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Look at this. Oh my god, and it comes with a side of like a cookie or something. What should we use? I'm gonna use a spoon because that's what I use for cereal. This is so good, guys. Oh my god, this is like amazing. So good. Look at this big bowl of cereal. Look, see, there's some green over there. It's actually, oh my god. So I just got some rainbow cereal with some milk, and then it looks like I got a blueberry or chocolate chip muffin, and I got some apple juice. It doesn't look like apple juice at all. It looks red.
You copied Leah, Ash.
Yeah, I'm giving her credit.
What?
Okay, guys, so giving her credit. So, guys, let's go fly somewhere. I don't know. And I really want to try to find those things over there, the lockers. What? Maybe it's over here. Oh my god, I think it's over here. Yes, I found it. I found it. Okay, cool. I think I found it. So, ooh, do they have any green ones? Nope, they don't. But I'm just gonna wear my heels. Ooh, so let's use a head towel. And I'm going to do green. Perfect! Now let's do a body towel. And it's going to be green also. Also green. Cute! Like, I'm like all green, guys. Oh my god. And I wonder... Okay, guys, so Leah, credit to her, please, please. Ooh, let's put on some strawberry perfume. Perfect! So Leah did this thing where you take a blow dryer and you go in the shower.
I tried it before.
Did?
Yeah, it's
and then you go in the shower. I'll just do this one. And you turn the shower on, something will happen to your face.
You have to put off the hairdryer first. No, you have to turn it off.
So let's put it on. Oh my god! Oh god. Yep, I just got electrocuted. Wait, why am I like this? Guys, that is so funny. Oh my god, I just got electricity. Wow, it looked like... Oh my god, it looks so weird. That was just scary. Oh my god, look how I'm flying. It's so funny. Anyway. No, I don't want to go in a shower room. Oh my god, look at me sitting. Anyway. Yeah, that was so weird. How about... Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun idea. And all credit goes to Leah Ash. She's the one who started this idea. So thank you. Bye guys. How do I turn this off? I don't know. Bye guys.